Hey there, welcome to my video showcasing a great tool from GitHub called Proxy Checker. Today, we're diving into one of the world's best proxy checking tools out there. No matter who you are or what you need proxies for, Proxy Checker is here to make your life easier. So, sit back, relax, and let me show you how this tool can help you to get the best free proxies out there. I'll be putting explaining texts throughout the video, so hopefully everyone understands this amazing tool. No worries, it's very easy to understand and use, even for people who have never used a proxy checker before. So that'll be it. Thank you for watching my showcase of Proxy Checker. You can find all the links to the tools mentioned in the video description below. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join the support Discord. The link to that is of course also in the video description, where you can ask anything related to the tools. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.